and Virginia's on it. I started super early this morning, like 2:30 in the morning, and my load's only 5,500 pounds, so I'm not worried about being overweight or having axles messed up or whatever. But it was on 81, which is where I'm at now, northbound. Their scales were open at 4:15 this morning, which is pretty impressive because most of the time scales are not open at that time. Now this one, I actually got a green light and I was able to go in that left lane and bypass, but I needed to wash the inside of my windshield because it was getting streaky and I'm running into the sun and it was annoying me. So I pulled in to clean the inside of my windshield, and when you exit that parking, it says all trucks must enter scales. Okay. So now I have to scale. But again, I'm not concerned. I'm not overweight. My axles are fine. I would pass an inspection. So it's not really a concern. Roll my window down a little bit in case they gotta say something. There's a mower next to me. Lower driver's window and cut off all radios before pulling on scales. Have speakers there so that they can tell you whether you need to pull around or not and to bring your paperwork in case they want to do an inspection on you for whatever reason. You have a bunch of crap on your dash, or your weight's off, or whatever the case may be. They'll tell you pull around and bring your papers in. So I ain't never scared of going into a weighing station or a scale house at all.